Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's update our view on the gold market again. Today the picture looks better compared to the recent charts that we have seen yesterday and the day before that, because market finally is showing the signs of the action according to the trend. Yesterday our major concern with the fact that market, although it has shifted trend to the bearish, but it hasn't shown the downward action. But right now situation has been corrected, adjusted, and you can see the recent drop on the real estate market data in the United States yesterday. That was really superb numbers, the highest numbers since the 2013 of the sales of the new homes in the United States, and you can see this was a real significant drop down. But to be absolutely happy, guys, I prefer and I would like to see and to get that taken out of these lows, because although the recent action was really nice, by standing above this bottom, market theoretically keeps chances on the reversal, because market could form, for example, butterfly. Of course, this is just the theoretical assumption, but to negate this assumption, to destroy this chance even theoretically, I prefer to see the market will be taken out of these lows. Finally, guys, speaking about these grabbers have started to work, and the minimum target of these grabbers, particularly this low. Also, there's really big hope that market, if it will take out of these lows and move below the monthly pivot point, it will try to grab the stops below that lows. And I really count on this downward action. In fact, guys, the logical short-term target based on the current picture, as it seems, is this ABCD pattern that creates an agreement with the 618 support around 11-72 area. That's probably the short-term destination on the market, and I hope that we will get there. If you remember, yesterday we said that the riddle will be resolved by the breakout direction, and we said that the breakout is the key to everything on the gold market, and that's really has happened, because if you take a look at the forward time frame chart, you'll see our triangle has been broken down. Right now, market is forming some kind of the small consolidation that looks like the small flag pattern, this bearish flag. Maybe market will show the downward continuation. Not really very significant. Here, guys, it's a very important moment that the fact that market wasn't being able to reach the opposite border of this triangle before breakout makes us think that this breakout is really a true breakout. Here, guys, I just marked the same low that I prefer to see being taken out by the market, just to erase any opportunity for the upward action in an upward pattern. That's what I would like to get. And as we said, that we will have a lot of time for possible taking the long position or short, depending on the breakout after this will happen. And it's not really necessary to take the position inside of this consolidation, although you could do this, as we said, but if you will not do this, don't be upset, because after that you also will be chance to take the position. And back into this discussion, let's take a look at the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, I would like to attract your attention to the couple of moments. First one, how the action has started. Recall that yesterday we have mentioned this pattern. This was first evening star, 3 candlestick pattern. This was bearish. And take a look. Right after this pattern, market has formed another one, the minor. It's a bit smaller evening stars, the 2 evening stars, and after that market has dropped like just stone to the downside. This huge candle. Taking into consideration the pace of this downward action, it really seems that it should continue. Right now, speaking about the possible taking the short position. Personally, guys, we like this area. at least we could think about taking the short right here, because that is some sort of the resistance cluster. Maybe it's a bit wide for the naming it as the confluence, but this is a range between the 1193 1196 $3 range that includes former lows here. So gold market likes to retest previous lows, it's broken lows, and if market will move here, we could think about the taking short in this area. Of course, we would not want to see such short direction, but to the upside. If this will happen, don't be short. If it will be gradual action right here, like here, that will be normal. This will be acceptable, and that will be good development that could lead us to take the short position. That's what we will be watching from the gold market right now. Of course, guys, if you have taken the position based on the daily grabbers, because you could do this if you trade on the daily time frame chart, maybe you have done this, or if you have entered in a position by this morning stars, evening stars patterns, you could keep the, of course, this position by just tightening your stop and moving on the break even and watching what will happen. So that's all for today on the gold market. Let's see what will happen tomorrow.